Hi, I'm Valerie Carlson. I am a nurse practitioner at Rejuve Medical and also part of our talented aesthetics team here at Rejuve. We are going to be hosting a lobby lecture soon, and we hope that you come. You can learn all about aesthetics. My part of the aesthetics is the injectables such as Dysport, Botox, and fillers.
And my name is Kristen. I am also part of the aesthetics and IV team at Rejuve Medical. I am also doing injections, but I do more IV injections as well as ozone injections, which we're excited to bring to you and introduce at our lobby lecture in April.
My name is Meredith Weberg, and I'm the medical esthetician here. So I specialize in medical grade facials, laser treatments, and infrared therapy. I'm also part of the aesthetics and IV team. We can't wait to see you. What you can kind of expect, we'll be kind of chatting about what we all specialize in. We'll be doing a tour of the IV and aesthetics department, and we'll also be doing some giveaways. We can't wait to see you.